Are you tired of creating high quality real estate content every day just so you can stay top of mind to your clients on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all the social media platforms out there? Do you want your content to be engaging and generate warm leads for you every single day? But you just don't really have the time to do this every single day. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how I am building an AI automation workflow to generate daily engaging real estate content using tools like Canva and Make.com to publish them to my Instagram and Facebook on autopilot. If this is your first time here, my name is William Zhang, and I am a real estate agent out of Austin, Texas. I teach real estate agents how to use AI to get more clients and grow your business. Content is how I grew my real estate business to over 6 figures a year. Majority of the leads that come in from my organic social media content convert at about a 5 to 10 times better rate than any other online lead source I've used. So in this video, I'm going to show you, this is going to be a part one of that process of building out that AI automation workflow. And I'm going to show you right here, the process is going to be like this. The ultimate goal is that we're going to generate 60 posts for 30 days using AI automation with just a click of a button. So every single day or every single month, at the beginning of the month, I will plan out the content for the rest of the month with just a click of a button. And that's going to be high quality content like this one that you just see right here. And the step is going to be, we're going to use image templates from Canva, and then we're going to write the captions using AI, ChatGPT in particular. And then the second step, the second video is going to be about how we're going to approve and reject these posts that's generated. And then finally, we're going to schedule the posts for the 30 days, which is going to be 60 posts for 30 days, about 2 posts per day, educating buyer, seller, and being top of mind to my client. So here is basically what it looks like. I'm going to run this automation for you. So right now, when you run an automation, I'm going to change this a little bit. So we can run it like this. So you first is going to make a call to API. First, it's going to make an API call to Canva. Then it's going to generate an images. So I'm going to pause right here because it's going to take about 30 seconds to create a post. So after the post is created, it's going to export that post, and then now it's on Google Drive. Since this is only step one, we're not sharing it on my Instagram just yet, but you can take a look at the post generated right here. This is the post that's generated. So this is an image that we're going to eventually share on my Instagram account. Okay. And the way to do this is that first you have to have a Canva Pro account, and you're going to come over here and create a brand template. So this is the original brand template. As you can see, the brand template has a area where you can input caption and an area where you can input body, which is going to be like the meat of the post. So my thinking is that I'm going to ask AI to auto-populate all of these, including write me a hook that is designed for relocation buyers for my city, for Austin in 2025. Then it's going to come out with 10 hooks, and it's going to create images using these 10 hooks. Then it's going to write content using that hook, and then create like 5 to 10 images on that particular post. It becomes a carousel post on Instagram, right? But as you can see, the eventual output is that we actually generated something like this, a nice little hook and a nice little body right here. The way we got to do is that we first have to have a brand template, and I'm going to go to edit template right here to show you that the key to set this up, by the way, if you want to get all of the kits that I just showcased in this video, you can join my free community, free real estate AI society, using the link down below, where we go into more detail about how we do things like setting up your Canva and setting up Make.com so you can create automation like this, so you will never have to post on Instagram manually ever again. So the key thing we got to do is that we have to create a brand template, and we're going to have to use the data autofill feature. As you can see, once you click the data autofill feature, you will have 2 data fields available. One is going to be the title. You click data field and it's going to be title. And then this is going to be the body. You can also create, so these are the 2 things that the Make.com right here, this little script right here is going to read, and it's going to read right here, and then going to make modifications on. What you want to do, you want to make sure that you understand how many characters are in this little tip right here. Okay, here how many characters are in the title and how many characters are in the body. So right now I have 50 characters here, the title. So just in case you want to write more, that will change how that will look, and that will mess up your automation. So we do not want that. So we're going to make sure when we're using the AI implementation, we want to say we want to keep it under 50 characters. Same thing with the body, and then you're going to republish the changes. So we don't want to do that. I don't need to make this change, so I don't want to do that, and let's just exit out of it. Okay, so after we set up the brand template, this is the important part, right here. Then we'll have access to the we'll have to connect our make.com to Canva. The way to do it is that when you create a make.com account, you can use Canva app, and then you're going to connect and input your Canva credentials. After you connect to your Canva credentials, the first thing you want to do is you want to make an API call right here. Okay. So make an API call. That is the Canva, that is the make.com you need to make. Canva, make an API call right here. And then I'm going to show you the API that we did right here. It's going to post to URL/v1/autofills. This is the automation that's going to help change everything, because the vision, right? You have to understand the vision is that this is only one template that we created. What if I created 100 or like 50 or like 20 templates that's of different color, or but that's on top of my brand, like different background? I'm going to create one just to show you again. Create this one. Instagram post. Instagram post is the best format that's going to be shared across all platforms, including Facebook. I'm going to use a photo. I'm going to use real estate interior. What do I like? I actually like this one. Actually, no. House interior. This one is pretty good. Gonna see if we can get this one. This one, yes. This one. Set image as background. Now I have another template that we can create, right? We can add text over here, text box, and the title. And then now I just create 50 templates like this. I'm gonna create another element right here to show you. Right here. Perfect. So this is the heading and this is the body. And I want to make the heading a little bit smaller. I think 50 was my caption size. And then this one, we're going to keep it about 25. Perfect. So now I have another template. I'm going to publish as a brand template. But first we got to remember we got to do the data autofill, right? We're going to set up the data autofill to label this as the title, or the title, and this one as the body. So, and then we're going to publish it as a brand template. Now in the future, publish and close. There we go. Now we can access that brand template again, and then using this little stream right here to create an automated Instagram content. So you will publish it to our Instagram account. But the next step is that we need to export that design using this right here. And then we're going to upload that to Google Drive. And then we're going to upload it to Google Drive. So this is going to be the first, let me just delete this. This is going to be the first part of that automation process. And then after we get it in our Google Drive, the next step is that we're going to generate captions using AI. Currently, that whole process is done manually. You can see right here. This is the brand template. This is the text we want to write, but we can actually use AI to generate all of this. So that's the next step in the next video. So this is the part one of that whole Instagram and Facebook content automation, and creating automation using brand templates, using a brand template on Canva. The good thing is that once this system is set up, you can create 100, 1,000 content with just a click of a button. And then I can pick and choose from which one I want to post, and then generate high quality real estate content from there. So if you're interested in that video, you can watch that next after I publish it. And if you want to learn more about automations and AI, how to scale your real estate business using AI, you can use the link down below to join my free AI Society for real estate agents.